Hey, good morning, YouTubers. This is Go-Karts, Motorcycles, etc. coming back for you with a new video. As most of you know, that as you can see, I'm in the animal control business, and a lot of times the big traps that I have to move around get pretty heavy. So I'm going to show you something that I built. And Tomahawk Traps also builds a similar item, but I took it one step further and DIY'd it. Alright, now as you can see, this is a pretty big trap. It's probably one of the biggest ones, but here it is. This little gadget here, you take and put it up on the third ring. It's very easy to build. It's just, most of the parts I got was from Tractor Supply. And there's two little studs welded up here that fit in the trap. And for the price that they sell it for, it's about the price what I built it for. I did all the welding and everything. Now once you pull it out of your truck bed, as you can see, it sits on them wheels there, and it's locked in with these little clips. So they're spring loaded, so you can push them in, unhook them and all that. And then you just grab the front of the trap and move it around where you want. That's with the dog and everything in it. And that's what I'd been needing. So I went ahead and built me one, and I got about $65 total in all the parts. And hang on a minute, my fingers are stuck. Alright, and then on this, just raise the trap up, or you can set it just like that. But their design, you have to unclip. Well, their traps are actually made a little different, but on this one I would suggest just unclipping it and pulling the roller system out. That way whenever you get ready to move it again, you got everything in it. Also, an update on my truck, the animal control truck I built. Let's get a good look at it here. As you can see, it runs real good. It does good too. I can't complain. I've got on the inside here, it's got little lights. The air blow system works. Got the lettering on it. Actually, I'm running two trucks now, and they're keeping me busy. So everybody, this is Go-Karts, Motorcycles, etc. signing out. Y'all have a good day, and be safe out there. And watch out for them COVID shots. They may change your DNA. Be a bunch of zombies running around. Alright, y'all have fun. Bye-bye.